Hi guys, now we in Balloon Festival in the Clark Global City with Georgi. So many people parking. We use motor because not easy to park. Hi Georgi, first time in Balloon Festival. First time. Okay, let's go.
Kailan kasing mag-video?
Kayo. 50.
No, he asking for what? What?
Like and share the page, free items. Like and share the page, free items. Mineral, sir, mineral.
What is this? Condominium. So we're going inside?
We need ticket, no?
I don't know. Where? Excuse me, where I can buy ticket? Where I can buy ticket?
No more ticket, that's sold out.
Already sold out. Okay, okay. That's why so many people sold out all tickets. Good business. Sold out already tickets. Okay, let's go. Take a look here. Guys, now I know why yesterday in Walking Street so many people. Because it's a festival, Balloon Festival. That's why many people from province, from many places of Philippines, also from maybe foreigner, come to this festival. And in Balibaga so many people, in Angeles, in the club yesterday, last night. So maybe after a few days, if already festival is over, maybe in the fields, Walking Street, not so many people, and again, bored maybe for you in Walking Street. Excuse me, do you know what name of fruits? What name of fruits this one? Do you know? It's not fruits. What is this? Like flower?
Flower.
Like flower. Okay, thank you. Georgi, do you want to eat fruits? Masarap. We said masarap. Georgi joke, it's not fruits. He said it is flower. Look like fruits. Okay, let's go. Really so many people. Command Post Clark Aurora Music Festival. This is Command Post. Take a look. What is Command Post? Maybe not allowed inside. Georgi, so many girls, good girls. You can talk if you want. This is normal girl. Normal people here. So I think you can talk, communication. We need to know what time start.
Yes. But I don't have internet.
Here don't have internet?
I don't have. Maybe you have. I don't know.
Okay, I will check right now.
Ay, wala pa ticket VIP Gold.
Sir, egg toast, sir.
Do you know how much this girl say? 5,000. No, no, he joke only. 5,000. Do you want to buy for 5,000? Because she cannot speak English. 5,000, Georgi, very cheap. So many beautiful people, yes, Georgi? I know. I know you like Philippine people. More beautiful than in Thailand, I think. Guys, we're going back to motor because this is not balloon festival, it's music festival. That's why we expected air balloon, but here only music festival. Georgi, let's go to home. Where you want to go? Clark maybe? Hungry? Georgi, hungry? Okay, let's go to restaurant. Most of people have tickets. Cost of ticket it's about 20 peso only, but already sold out through internet, so don't have. You take a look, people have a scan of tickets, so they already have documents for entrance. Many people come to festival.
Latag oh.
Guys, I use mobile phone to take video, so maybe my video is not good quality. But for Georgi very hard because he don't have cap. He lost cap in home.
Okay po.
Bring your ID.
I think it's Clark Global City. Want to find motor where I park motor. This is my motor. I put cover and not hot inside.
This is balloon.
Yes. Balloon festival.
Yes.
Clark Global City. Okay.
Oh, you see?
Big balloon. Big balloon. Show is over. Hi guys, we now already in the Clark playground. We walk with Georgi. It's Georgi. And we already been in the choking, and now we walk in park. In the park. Sorry for video because quality is not good. I use mobile phone only. Oh, very good. Metal. It's a Clark playground. cannot.